So the rain is still going on. Okay, rain is still on, and okay, sound is coming up. Okay, carefully see this and you will see everything what you want to see. And also there is one thing, today is India versus Ireland T20 series. Well, the first T20 is on 26th June and today is 26th of June, and there can be so much possible, so many, there can be a possibility that Vaibhav Suryavanshi make will make his debut for India at the age of 15, and let's see if he can do he can make his debut or not in this series. But the way is pretty pretty much good and it's brilliant. So anyways, bye guys. Goodbye guys.